Welcome back, cardboard fans. Doing it one more again. We got another one of these bad boys. Let's get into the pack. What did we? It was like, what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 4? I think it was 4 in the back. Then all the shinies are on the bottom. Rebirth of the 7th Emperor's Jurassic Power. Etude of the Branded. New World Stars. Card Scanner. Kitsunabe. Amazing Attraction. Trill Train. That's a G. Messiah Knight, the Comet General. Earthbound Prisoner Groundkeeper. It's pretty cool looking. Got the Fire Recovery. Pretty cool looking. Some more of that Pearly. And with how bad it beat me, I might just have to... No, I'm not joining the dark side. Melfi Hide and Seek. And the nice one in here, Give Me Your Soul. It's the seal of Orichalcos. Give me your soul. Next pack. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4... XZ's Align, Ice Jade Manifestation, Teller Knight, Constella, Cadis, whatever. Gion, Gravity Ninjas. The Cuckoo Commanded to Croon. Rome Eulogy. Supreme King Dragon Lightworm. Realm Resonance. Slide those away. Stardust Worm. Unchained Soul of Shavara. Got a couple of those, I think. I have at least one of those and at least one of those. Gemnite Quartz. I don't know if I have one of those this shiny. We're going to do the QCR first because it's something gimmick puppet. I don't know anything about that. But the other thing, I know all about this. And I'm pretty sure I need this one. And if I don't need it, I mean, just look at it. It's sick. Red Eyes Black Meteor Dragon. Sick as hell. That's got to be the winner. Unless I pull Alt Art freaking Regeki. Like, I already pulled Blue Eyes. What else is there? Like, just one of the limbs won't do it. 3 and 4. Flop it. Flip it. Bring it around. Do the thing. Behemoth, the king of 100 battles. Double Dust Tornado Twins. Couple aces. Ogdaudic Daybreak. Ogdaudic. That's an interesting word. And then we ask ourselves yet again, how did Dai get here? Why is he always here? Pendulum Moon. Synchro World. Mental Tuner. I don't even know if I'll show it. I've had so many of these now. Okay, now the cool things. Startling Stare of the Snake Eyes. Something Snake Eyes, so it's probably something. Invocation. Red Eye Soul. Some more of that Red Eye. Hell yeah, I'm down with it. This lady. I got 3 of her. Vala something. Gene Raiders. Isn't that Warhammer? Alright, now I'm confused. What? His name is, if it focuses, Ultiyama Tzolk'in? We're gonna pause for a sec. Okay, I just had to double check that that's a thing that existed, because you... Anyway, if you enjoyed, I mean, I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that. That was confusing. But yeah, come on back next time, subscribe, and something about a bell, I don't know. Come on back, watch me open up more packs and waste more money. Enjoy!